Asunto-osakeyhtiö Pähkinäpuu.
Today's the 3rd of May 2023. I take a quick ride here. It's on Lammaslammentie. Probably Lammaslammentie, we will check the name in Swedish later. 16 stickers team, but we don't need the other stickers here because it was replaced.
Yeah.
It has a wooden interior. Probably built around 1980 originally, or we checked that later. It was probably almost there before. Replaced by Kone in 2013. The 10 years now. The capacity is 5 persons of 480 grams. The number is 116322345. It will be inspected this year in 2023 with 6 floors. With quite an unnecessary replacement.
Yeah.
Because there are only 6 floors. And you can press it.
Yeah.
And the door closes.
Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
Yeah.
This was one of the first modernizations or replacements with KSS 280 fixtures in Finland.
Yes. That's the only special thing in this one.
Yeah.
But, apart from the wooden interior.
Yeah.
This here in Pähkinärinne on Selvakken, close to Myyrmäki or Lammaslammentie. Tämä on Myyrmäki Myrbacka in Vantaa. Vantaa healthcare force, which was one of
Touched.